VPN. We all are quite aware of what a VPN basically does. In a nutshell, a VPN basically hides your original IP address and shows the different IP address from a different location to the web server. Mostly VPNs are used to access blocked contents of a website in a region, or if people just want to hide their identity. Well, I have already made a previous video which explains you in details how a VPN exactly works, so make sure to check that out from the I button above. Most of us use some third-party applications to connect to a VPN server and to access the VPN service. Well, what we have missed out is that the Microsoft Windows 10 has an inbuilt setting to configure your own VPN server and connect to a VPN service. Today in this video, we shall be looking at how to configure your own VPN server and how to connect to a VPN server from the inbuilt setting of Windows 10. So before we get into the video, if you have landed new to this channel, make sure to subscribe to this channel because regularly I keep on bringing such interesting tech content for you. Now without wasting any more time, let's jump into the video. So first, you have to head on to a website which is vpnbook.com. So this website is basically hosting a VPN server and they provide some free VPNs for various protocols. But this time we shall be using the free point-to-point tunneling protocol VPN, and to access the inbuilt VPN setting of your Microsoft Windows 10, you have to head on to the settings from the task bar, and over there you have to go to the network and internet options, and here on the left panel you shall find the VPN option. You have to click on this, and here you can here I have already set a private net, so in your case you shall not find anything over here. Just click on add VPN connection, and here you give a connection name. Suppose I give private net 2, and here I have to put the server name or address. Okay, before that you have to specify the VPN provider, which is Windows built-in, and here the VPN type you have to click on point-to-point tunneling protocol, and here you have to write the server name or address. Well, you have to just copy the server name. Suppose I want to connect to the US server, or if I want to connect to the Canada server, then I have to just copy this part, and once I have pasted this thing, you have to click on save. Now as you can see over here, we have named our Canada server VPNs to be as private net 2, and just click on it and you will see the option of connect. Now before I click on connect, let me show you my original IP address which I am using right now. So I'll go to iplocation.net. So as you can see over here, my current IP address is this one, and my location is in India, West Bengal. Now once I click on connect, the VPN setting will prompt me to type in the username and password. Well, the username and password is already provided over here. Now once you type in the username and password, you have to click on OK, and the VPN and your device shall connect to the vpnbook VPN server in Canada. Now as you can see, it is showing here connected. Now let us quickly check. I'll just reload this page and let's see what is my new IP address. As you can see, my IP address is changed over here. The location is also Canada, and all the details are changed right now, but the operating system and the browser or the default details of my device are still the same. So using a VPN will just change your identity. It will not change the device you are using. It can still identify which device you're using, which browser you're using. Now when you're done using the VPN, you just have to click on disconnect and it will be back to your original IP address. So now that you've seen how to configure a VPN server by using the inbuilt VPN settings which the Windows 10 Microsoft operating system provides you. So now, why does Microsoft provide you an inbuilt setting to configure a VPN when most of the people use a VPN service to either access blocked contents which have been blocked in their region or to hide their identity? Well, this VPN configuration setting has been provided for use in professional environments. Consider you're working for a company which want all their information to be used in a private network. So whatever mail servers your company is using or whatever web applications which your company gives or provides to all its employees for completing the tasks, they all are accessible only through the company's private servers. So that means if any employee is outside the company's network, they cannot access the mail servers or they cannot access any web application to complete their tasks of the company. So in these cases, these companies provide a private VPN service of their own, which allows all the employees to connect to their VPN servers from any other network outside the company's network. So whenever an employee is outside the company's network, he can configure the VPN settings of the company's servers on this operating system or in the Android operating system also, and a private secure tunnel will be created between that particular employee's device and the company's server, and henceforth the employee can complete all the tasks, access all the company's mails, and access all the web applications which the company provides. So that is all for today, guys. I hope this video helped you understanding what was the purpose of the inbuilt VPN configuration setting which your Microsoft Windows 10 operating system provides you, and how to use that setting. If you like this video, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. If you did not like it, dislike this video. Share this video with all your friends, and before leaving, make sure to subscribe to this channel along with pressing the bell icon beside it so that you never miss an awesome tech content from my side. See you in my next video. Till then, goodbye.